Eating waffles like a normal person. Eating waffles like a normal person. Drinking orange juice like a total maniac. Cause I'm eating waffles like a normal person. Eating waffles like a normal person. You're a psychopath if you don't like Oreos. If you don't like waffles, you should try some. I promise you that they're good. They're amazing. Especially with chocolate chips. Yeah. Cause I'm eating waffles like a normal person. I'm eating waffles like a normal person. Yeah, I'm eating waffles like a normal person. I'm eating waffles like a normal person. Drinking orange juice like a total maniac. Yeah, I'm feeling good. That orange juice is smack. Bang, 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 bang. Ding, dong, ching, shout. Bang. Bang. Cause I'm eating waffles like a normal person.